Hello guys, welcome back again with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this video. Okay guys, I wanna tell you about some article again. Thailand economy grew to 5% in the second quarter as returning foreign tourists failed to offset high inflation and concerns over regional and tension, the country main economic agency said Monday. Such as Asia's second largest economy was hit hard during the pandemic, though visitor numbers are slowly improving with the election of travel rules since May. But the Ukraine war and now tension over Taiwan could put an economic recovery at risk. Thailand and National Economic and Social Development Council (NESDC) warned, "We have to continue monitoring to see how long contraction from China over Taiwan will last." NESDC Secretary General Danushka Pichayanan said, "The relaxing of our COVID control, the recovery of tourism are factors that support the growth." The agency said that gross domestic product rose to 5% in April and June, compared to the same period a year ago, well below the anticipated growth of the 3%. The the NESDC also represents the expected full-year growth rate from 2, 5 and 35%. Economist Carl Cachon from the Capricorn Research Center characterized the result as mixed bag, with the terms both failing to live growth. I think that because inflation hit a 40-year high in June, so it is a drag on spending both in the household sector and business. He said inflation in the month of June hit 77% and was at 56% for the quarter according to the NESDC. The impact of the Russia-Ukraine war and Taiwan tension was also a worry, Carly said, affecting supply chains. They expect Thailand export to cool in tandem with the global economic growth next year, so we have to really so much and tourism. He said Thailand welcomed roughly 40 million people only pre-pandemic and has set ambitious target on arrivals for the coming year in the hope of coaxing life back into the domestic tourist sector. The relaxing of our COVID control, the recovery of tourism are factors that support the growth. The agency said that gross domestic product rose 4 to 5% in April and June compared to the same period a year ago, well below the anticipated growth of 3%. Economist Carl Kingston from the Capricorn Research Center considered the result as a mixed bag, with a turns both failing to live growth. I think that is because inflation hit a 14-year high in June, so it is a drag on spending both in the household. Inflation in the month of June hit 77% and was at 65% for the quarter according to the NEST. The impact of the Russia-Ukraine war and Taiwan sanctions were also a worry, Carly said, affecting supply chain. Thanks for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.